Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on the Haji project. We are from Group E and this project is part of the ENG3202 course for Semester 1, 2024-2025. My name is Muhammad Firasadi bin Zuraimi and I'll be presenting alongside my groupmate Akif.
Hi, my name is Akim Mustane bin Azri. In this project, we developed a C++ program to simulate Haji, a traditional Malaysian board game. The main mandatory is to implement the game's rule, including piece promotion to Haji, mandatory capture, and turn-based gameplay. Let's begin with a brief overview of Haji. Before diving into the implementation, let's briefly understand Haji. Firstly, objective. The goal is to capture all your opponent pieces or to block their move. For the gameplay, pieces move diagonally and capturing is done by jumping over an opponent's piece. For the promotion, when a piece reaches the last row of the opponent's side, it becomes a Haji, which can move and capture in all diagonal directions. Rules: capturing is mandatory if possible, and the game ends when one player captures all pieces or block all moves. Now, Firas will explain how we implemented this in C++.
Let's start with the code. The initializeBoard function creates the board based on the selected size 8x8, 10x10, or 12x12 and places the player's pieces on the dark squares. Each player's pieces are initialized in the first 3 to 5 rows, depending on the board size. The board dynamically adjusts to the selected size, ensuring flexibility in gameplay.
Next, the InvalidMove function ensures that every move follows Haji's rule. It checks if the move is diagonal whenever the target square is empty and enforces mandatory capture if available. For example, if a piece can jump over an opponent, the program requires the capture to be made. The makeMove function processes valid move, update the box, and promote piece to Haji when they reach the opponent last row. Captured pieces are removed and the score is updated.
Let's see the program in action. At the start, players choose a board size. Here, we have selected an 8x8 board. Players then input their names. Player 1 is Alice and Player 2 is Bob. Once the setup is complete, the game begins with Player 1's turn.
Players take turn entering their move in the format A0 space B1. If a move is invalid, the program prompts for a valid one. Here, Alice moves her piece diagonally. On Bob's turn, he captures Alice's piece by jumping over it. The program updates the board and score accordingly. When Alice moves a piece to the last row, it is promoted to Haji. As a Haji, the piece can now move and capture in all diagonal directions. The game ends when one player captures all the opponent's pieces. In this example, Alice wins by capturing Bob's last piece. The program displays a congratulatory message and ends the session.
Our program includes additional features for an enhanced gameplay experience. First, players can choose custom board sizes 8x8, 10x10, or 12x12. Next, the last move of each player is highlighted, red for player 1 and blue for player 2. The last one is mandatory captures are enforced, ensuring players adhere to Dam Haji's traditional rules.
That wraps up our presentation. This project taught us how to implement game logic using C++ programming while simulating Dam Haji rules. We successfully integrate features like piece promotion, move validation, and user-friendly board customization. Thank you for watching.